In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily create bold, fancy style text for YouTube descriptions or Facebook or pretty much anywhere on the internet. It's as simple as using this free tool here called the Bold Text app for YouTube.com, description text, or Facebook.com. And it's real simple to use, but if you feel like you need more instructions, there's text instructions here, image instructions, as well as video instructions. All you do is put the text you want bold here. Then click the button, Create Bold YouTube Facebook Text, and you get many different styles of text that are not just bold like here, here, and here, but fancier text. And all you do to select the text to paste it wherever you want in YouTube or Facebook or wherever, you just click on it, it's selected, CTRL C copies it to the clipboard. You go to the YouTube video and you just paste it in the description. And when you save it, it comes out just like that. Or if you want to use it for Facebook, whether it's a Facebook post, comment, pretty much anywhere on Facebook, and you'll see that your text is sent exactly like that. And you really can use it for any place on the internet. Like even if you want to leave a comment on a website, like let's say we're looking up dating tips and tricks. You want to leave a comment. And you see, we're pretty much wherever you paste your bold YouTube description text that you copied to clipboard, anywhere that accepts HTML or formatted text, your comment, your bold comment is going to show. So you can use it not only for YouTube video descriptions or Facebook, but anywhere you want on the internet pretty much. Now, if you want to leave a bold comment on a YouTube video, you can use the bold text tool just previously shown to you. And it works just fine. But if all you want to do is leave a bold comment that stands out, you don't care about fancy text, start your comment with the asterisk, which is like the snowflake looking character above the number 8 on your keyboard. End it with an asterisk, no space between the first asterisk and the first letter, no space after the last letter and the asterisk. And it shows up bold, which kind of stands out more than other people's comments.